Kangaroo Island for me is a pretty incredible place for produce because of its clean and clear environments. Getting over to the island to visit the producers firsthand was essential to get a good sense of the people behind the great produce and to see the unique environments that they come from. Kangaroo Island Pure Honey in the Flinders Chase National Park is home to hundreds of hives of Ligurian bees. Kangaroo Island itself has the purest colony of Ligurian bees in the world. These bees feed predominantly on native flowers. This produces honeys ranging from soft herbal flavours to rich dark caramel flavours. The coastlines of Kangaroo Island are second to none. The calm bays on the north of the island are perfect breeding grounds for scallops and sea urchins. Paul Palaco dives these waters from July through to November. His harvest are some of the most sought after ingredients in restaurants Australia-wide. Yumba Aquaculture is leading the way worldwide in abalone farming. This farm is set up to replicate their natural ocean environments. This results in some of the best tasting and most sought after abalone in the world.